Terry Johnson, one of the co-creators of the Fuddlebrook series. Today we're going to do an activity from the Substitute from Jupiter. The kids think they're going to play a big joke on the substitute, Miss Boomfuzzle. But Miss Boomfuzzle has something else in mind, and, well, you'll just have to read the story. Today we are going to make volcano eggs to represent the volcanoes on Io. Io is
the fifth moon from Jupiter.
That's correct, Chloe. Io is
the most volcanically moon in the solar system.
That's right, Chloe. Also, Io can be
very hot and cold.
That's right, Chloe. Obviously, Chloe knows a lot about Io, so let's just get started with the volcano eggs. In our cups, we have baking soda and liquid food coloring, and we are going to use our paintbrushes and just paint our eggs any colors that we want. To get a reaction, we are going to put vinegar on our egg. We know that vinegar and baking soda create the gas carbon dioxide, which creates a fizz. Very nice, Chloe. That's very pretty. Make really pretty eggs while learning about Io.
You also might want to read the book to find out what the Substitute from Jupiter did.
Check out all our books and experiments at fuddlebrook.com.